I still believe that most people could easily make a living by simply trading arbitrage. It is the easiest way to trade cryptocurrency without any major risk, and it's not complicated at all. So guys, we are back again for today. As you all know, all we do here is to teach you ways of making money online using cryptocurrency arbitrage, sports betting arbitrage, cross exchange arbitrage, and many other ways of making money online. So if this is what you're interested in, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime we upload more videos like this. So guys, on today, and if you are still interested in sports betting arbitrage or crypto cross exchange arbitrage, chat us up using the Telegram link in the description of this video. And today, we spotted this cross exchange arbitrage opportunity in which you'll be making use of these two exchanges, Bitmart and Bitgate. Bitgate and Bitmart. As you can see on Bitmart, we spotted this token XDEX/USDT SDEX/USDT. This token is being sold here on Bitmart 0.000722 here on Bitmart. And then when we move over to Bitgate, so guys, as you can see here on Bitgate, you can see that SDEX/USDT. That this token here is being sold on Bitgate 0.000753 here on Bitgate. So guys, if you know anything about arbitrage, you should know that there is a price difference in these two exchanges that we are using for today. Meanwhile, all you have to do is to check the liquidity on both sides. For those of you that says that arbitrage doesn't work, arbitrage really works. Your life can even change with arbitrage depending on the capital you are using. As we are going to keep posting videos every day to make sure you make money on a daily basis. Like I usually tell you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I only create educational content. It is a book-based disclaimer. You make your own research and know where you dive into in these arbitrage opportunities. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you once we upload more videos like this so that you'll be the first to watch this video.